In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open eToro demo account. By the end, you'll be comfortably using eToro's virtual portfolio, which lets you practice trading with simulated money so you can build confidence before risking real funds. Once you're inside your eToro account, your goal is to locate the real virtual toggle. You'll find this near your username, down in the bottom left area of the platform. It typically appears as a small switch or label that indicates which mode you're currently in. Take a moment to identify it, because this control is the key to moving between your live account and the demo environment. It's designed to be easy to spot so you can switch modes quickly without hunting through multiple menus. When you're ready, switch from real portfolio to virtual portfolio using that toggle. The platform will confirm the change, and you'll notice the interface reflects that you're now in the virtual environment. This swap does not affect your actual funds or positions. It simply places you in a safe, simulated space that mirrors market conditions. Your layout, watch lists, and general navigation stay familiar, so there's very little learning curve. Only the funding source changes from real to virtual. After the switch, look at your balance. It will now show $100,000 in virtual funds. This amount is there for practice and testing only. You can open and close positions, set stop losses and take profits, explore different asset classes, and even try out strategies you've been curious about, all without financial risk. It's a powerful way to understand how order types behave, how volatility feels in real time, and how your trading plan performs when markets move. Treat this virtual balance like a training ground. Consider building a small practice plan. For example, try placing a market order and a limit order to see how each executes, or experiment with risk management by sizing positions thoughtfully. Keep an eye on performance over a few sessions to learn what works for you. The key is to use the $100,000 as a learning tool, not as a scorecard. If at any point you want to resume live trading, remember that the same real virtual toggle is how you move back to your real portfolio. Until then, enjoy the freedom to explore, make mistakes, and improve without pressure. That's all it takes. Locate the real virtual toggle near your username, switch to virtual portfolio, and you'll instantly have $100,000 in virtual funds to practice with. Take your time, test your ideas, and get comfortable before committing real capital.